Michelle Radley, dealer principal at Radley Cadillac. I'd like to personally invite you to come see what Radley has to offer and let us deliver a memorable experience to you.
You are going to love the 2020 WRX. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, inverted struts, sports suspension, daytime running lights, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, cruise control, multifunction display, child safety locks, center console with lighting, door courtesy lights, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.